BGM Girl here again. You know, got the box. Nice little packaging as usual. Very cute. Have the wig here inside. We're gonna get to that in a few. I have this edge brush and comb. I have a BGM Girl here pamphlet. You know, it has information in there about hair care, social media, all that good stuff. There's also a BGM Girl times TikTok card, so it's giving you information about that platform. Then they sent some wig caps. I got a regular pair and then a pair of HD wig caps. I also got a pair of lashes, and I got a branded BGM Girl elastic band, as well as a branded bonnet, okay, and a drawstring bag. So that's it for all the goodies. Now let's get into the wig. So this right here is BGM Girl's M-Cap Body Wave 9x6 HD lace wear and go glueless pre-bleach tiny knots pre-pluck natural hairline wig. Okay, basically pre-everything. It's a 1B color. It's 26 inches long. There's some special features to this wig as well, which I love. You know, it's the fact that it's a lace closure, but you have maximum lace space with it because it's an upgraded kind. It's the fact that it has removable combs. You know, they even made sure to make note of that. And it's not the first time I'm showing you a wig like this, but I absolutely love these kind of upgrades. And I love that they're incorporating doing C shapes to accommodate the ears so that the wig cap can sit comfortably around that area. You don't have to worry about feeling, you know, the agony of wearing a wig and it squeezing into your head. And there's an adjustable strap on the inside here for security. I like my wig nice and snug, not too tight, but just right to keep everything very secure and in place. Alright, so I love to adjust that to my liking, of course. And as I said, the combs are removable, so feel free to go ahead and remove it or leave it in as is, and the rest is history. This is very beginner friendly. You can just go ahead, slip this on. You can tweak it to your liking in terms of styling, and that's all we're gonna do today, okay? But you see the curls already look so nice. Now they say 26 inches long, obviously when stretched. So yeah, and it's a 1B color. It's nice and full, I must say so. I'm going to put the density and all the specs in the description box, as you know. So yeah, that's how we're looking. It's nice and pre-plucked. As I said, it's a pre-everything. It's pre-bleached, pre-plucked, pre-cut. All of that is done for you. So let's go ahead and, oh my gosh, the pluck work on this is gorgeous. It's immaculate, actually. Let's go ahead and jump into this quick install. Let's go. I like my combs still intact inside of the wig because, especially for the back, because that helps with security for the cap to lay on the back of your head properly. Realistic looking, like I love how realistic they did the hairline. The hairline on this wig is everything. Like, no baby hairs needed, no edges needed. It's all optional. If you wish to go ahead and do your edges, completely fine. It already comes so nicely curled. Like, I'm gonna barely have to do anything. All I'm gonna do, you know, I'm probably gonna just fix my bangs, but that's it. Like, what? I'm loving it. All I'm gonna do is cut off just a small portion of lace that has absolutely no hair on it. I love the M-cap construction because that doesn't allow any gap to be in between the lace and your forehead. So it's more, you know, it just kind of takes the shape of your head a little better, making the glueless experience better, basically. So you won't be afraid that, oh, my wig is going to slip off, or it doesn't look like it's actually melted on my head, you know. No, the M-cap give you that very melted and flawless look.
Feelings, it's like I can't
you see how that's looking? I just obviously, you know, I went in, did my little thing with the powder. What lace? Where is the lace? Let's find it, please, because it's so melted and very much glueless. No edges, no baby hairs, no nothing. So you know what the drill, you know. I'm just gonna go in with my wax stick, lay this down. I'm gonna keep that bust down middle part vibe, and I'm gonna make the parting a little brighter too. So you know, everything can look a little bit more scalp like, because it's a kind of dull right now. And I'm gonna touch up like the front portion, like the bangs, to make the curls there a little bit more precise. Yeah, but so far so good. It's looking great. So I don't necessarily, I'm not gonna touch these curls. They look so good to me. I love them. So we're gonna leave it as is. And I mean, this is a package, this is a wig where straight out of the package you could go ahead and slip it on and wear it. It's just because me picking an extra, so I went in and I wanted my bangs to fall, you know, a different kind of way. You know the vibes, that little curtain vibe. So that's the reason why I went in and curled it. Yeah, I'm gonna do just light layers in the front here, just lightly. That's how we're looking, guys. This is it. This is it. You don't have to do anything else. This is so quick, like literally so beginner friendly. I promise you. Like, BGM girl, you did it, because I think you have very much, I'd give this this wig a 10 out of 10. It's because of me being extra why I went in, but you could wrap the curls just as is. And I just cut off that little teeny bit of lace in the front when I just slipped it on, but completely glueless, absolutely no edges, no baby hairs. What more could you ask for? Really and truly, this is flawless. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. I'm going to be sure to put all the specifications in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. The direct link to this wig is listed down below as well. So if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself or somebody else, you can go ahead and shop it from that link. And that's it for today's wig look. Very beginner friendly, very easy, very to the point, very quick. Yeah, but yeah, that's it. And I hope you found this informative, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just go and make up for yourself. Bye.
Every time you hold me, take me